Apple is ending its Apple Pay Later program.
Pay Later makes it easier to say.
It is. Shifting instead to offering installment loans through third-party companies and various credit card and debit card issues. Joining us now, Dan Flax, Neuberger Berman, senior research analyst. Seems like a pain to have to be almost a bank in terms of lending standards and everything else. Is this a smart move for Apple to outsource it to a third party, do you think, Dan?
Good morning, Joe. I do think in this case it probably makes more sense to work with partners to drive more options for their customers. If we look at the company, the announcements around Apple Intelligence really evolving the user experience to the next level with this continued integration of hardware, software, and services, I think the story sets up well as we look into the latter part of this year and 2025. With Apple Intelligence contributing to a richer user experience with a better Siri, advancements in Genmojis, writing, and so a whole host of other things I think will drive continued growth of the install base, which sets up for revenue growth as we look ahead. So I continue to like the name.
So Dan, I don't know if we've talked to you since we saw Apple's plans for AI, and I just wondered if that played out the way that you thought it would, because initially it seemed like the perception was that Apple was a little bit late and wasn't developing things in-house and was behind the curve. And suddenly, when they outlined their plans, the stock, rocketed to new all-time highs based on that. And I just wonder, what do you think investors took away from the way that Apple is approaching AI? Maybe it's good not to be, spending billions of your own money to try to develop it. It reminds me of streaming. It's like if you weren't in streaming, you were an idiot, and then a year later, if you were in streaming, you were an idiot. It's crazy.
Joe, I think their history suggests that they would rather be more deliberate in terms of introducing a product and service and getting the experience right. You saw that with the iPod a couple of decades ago, the iPhone, the iPad, and all of the products since. And I think what you're seeing now is exactly the same thing. They're focused on trying to balance the capabilities of artificial intelligence, coupled with doing it in a secure, personalized way where users will feel confident about the overall experience and the use of their data. The other important thing, which was positive last week, is that they're continuing to bring more tools to the developers. And this really speaks to driving and creating a vibrant ecosystem that people can build on top of. And so taking the devices, the services, the developer community, putting all of that together, in my view, lays a strong foundation for the next wave of growth over the next 24 months. This will take time to play out, Joe, but I think the company's approaching it in a thoughtful way.
And that's going to be the next driver for Apple stock, AI, or is it something else? Is it expanding the ecosystem? Is it, I don't know, a new iPhone, a new upgrade cycle? What is it that takes Apple to the next level?
I think it's a broadening, or rather continued broadening of the revenue drivers. Artificial intelligence on its own, I don't think is sufficient. The key is that the installed base is growing. And so the math around that is, even with extended replacement cycles, you can generate over 200 million iPhone unit sales a year. More and more customers have been mixing up to the Pro and Pro Max, which helps ASPs. And that continues, in my view. You then layer on artificial intelligence, and that could be an incremental driver over the next 12 to 24 months. The key, though, is if you look at services, a $100 billion business, which is growing double digits. Mac, I think, is healthy. iPad, you just had new products introduced. Wearables, in some ways, is just getting going. So it's this broadening of the growth drivers, Joe, and infusing AI across all of these devices and services. That drives growth, in my view, and sets the stock up well.